Testing.
Animal testing.
What is animal testing? Animal testing are any scientific experiment or test in which a live animal is forced to undergo something that it causes pain, suffering, and long-term harm. Animal testing are used for cosmetic testing, drug testing, and also education purpose. Are animal experiments really necessary? For the pros, it contributes to life-saving cures and treatments. But unfortunately, it is cruel and inhuman to animal rights. How to prevent? In this campaign, we use TR methods, which consist replacement that use non-animal methods, reduction that use fewer animals, and refinement that use minimize potential pain. We 100% disagree on animal testing. Be the voice for the animals.
Be the voice for the animal.
Be the voice for animal.
Be the voice for animal.